Well, recent updates from the Sanford Center in Bemidji have shed light on their reconstruction efforts in the wake of 100+ mile-per-hour windstorm back in June. And now our reporter Sydney Dick has more details on what is still left to do for building recovery and how events have been affected over the past few months.
When a major windstorm came through Bemidji in late June of this year, the whole city saw extensive damage, and the Sanford Center was no exception. But instead of immediately looking at their building damage, the event center transformed into an emergency shelter.
During the storm, it was absolutely essential. There was really no other options for community members who were struggling.
It wasn't about managing an event where there's ticket sales. It was about taking care of a community, outside of the scope of what they were originally assigned to do, but we're able to mobilize and do that to help us out and help the community out, which I think is a huge benefit to what they can bring.
After initial emergencies were gone, recovery evaluations began. The main damages to the event center were to the roof and then the water damage that stemmed from that. But more than 80 days worth of work has gone into repairs so far.
We were able to finish the roof replacement here on time in August, get that completely redone. We are more than business as usual. We have been able to book some additional shows. We're continuing to push the mission forward.
The Bemidji City Council approved $1.3 million in repairs for the estimated $4 million in damages to the Sanford Center. But while the work is far from over, many are still trying to see the bright side.
Unfortunately, but fortunately, we use it as an opportunity to better what we get to do here and what we can offer for the community.
We now have a new roof over the arena. The previous one was 15 years old. The clock starts new again, if you will. Is this how we would draw it up to do that? No. We're painting things, we're putting in new carpet, new flooring. All these things are enhancements and upgrades that are going to serve the Sanford Center and the people of Bemidji long term.
Reporting from Bemidji, I'm Sydney Dick, Lakeland News.
The arena side of the Sanford Center sustained much more damage than the event side. So while events were up and running as soon as 1 week after the storm, the hockey aspect has been more up in the air. But all hockey will start on schedule and major repairs have finished for now. Not all arena seating is open, but the building has been repaired enough to be functional once again.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.